Hello and welcome to this video that will show you how to rap. It is important to rap because then you can enter rap battles and compete with the likes of Eminem or Ghostface Killer or myself. Yes, I am a rapper as well. I'll just spit you a quick verse and then I'll show you how to rap like this afterwards. Okay, so here is a quick freestyle a cappella rap for you. I am rapping now. Are you able to rap? No, because I have not taught you anything. But eventually you'll be able to learn and then you'll be able to rap as good as this. But you haven't learnt it yet. That is a shame, but don't worry, with practice you'll be able to get as good as this with the rapping. The rap is now complete, yo. Okay, so that is really what you're looking to aim towards from this tutorial. Now there are three main types of skills that you need to learn in order to be able to rap. The first is a beat. So in order to rap, you're going to need to get yourself a beat. The beat is where you have some form of background music and then you spit bars directly over that beat and then you form music rap. Or like a rap song or something like that. Now something that you may not know is that I happen to make my own music and my own beats. So I'll just give you a quick sample beat that I have made. Please feel free to use this beat in a video of yours if you like. You can use it to rap over if you care to do that. Or you can even download the beat and use it for later on if you wish. So this is a sample beat. And I'll just play you another sample beat as well with a slightly different tempo and it sounds completely different, so I'll just play that now for you. Oh, it stopped, I didn't realise. Okay, so that covers beats. The second skill to learn is personality. If you don't have a personality, it'll make it very difficult for you to become a good rapper. There are famous rappers out there with bags of personality, such as Eminem, or Ghostface Killer, or myself. We've all developed our personalities to be at the top of our game. So once you develop your personality, you should then start using it in rap songs and it should improve your rapping abilities by about 95 to 98%. So to improve your personality, why not show a bit of emotion? And you can try like flailing your arms as well. So I'll just show you how that is performed. And now the emotion part. So something like that is what you should be doing to improve your personality a bit more. Now the third and final skill to learn to become an amazing rapper is words. Yes, in order to rap well, you need to use words. But not any old words, preferably words that rhyme. All the best rappers use rhyming words such as Eminem or Ghostface Killer or myself, to name a few. So I'll just show you a very quick example of rapping using rhyming words. The rhyming words that I'll pick will be log, dog and bog. So this is how you could use those words in a rap. Okay, ready? Here we go. I went to the cinema the other week. I think it was a Tuesday. It could have been a Wednesday either. I'm not sure. I don't have a good memory. I then got lost and ended up in a forest. But when I looked down, I noticed a log. And then I walked out the forest and I walked on the streets and there was a dog. But then I left the dog and walked back into the forest, just like that. And then it started to rain, and the rainwater mixed with the mud on the ground and produced a bog. It was foggy, too. That was a bonus rhyming word that I added in there at the end, foggy. That's a great thing about rap. You can just throw in words left, right and centre and the rapping will still sound great. So why not give that a go yourself? And that completes the tutorial on how to rap. If you would like some additional help on rapping, then why not visit your local library and brush up on some rapping reading material. You could also attend a rapping conference meeting where you could raise any questions that you have about rapping there. So until next time, I'll see you all later. Goodbye. So I've just come up with a brand new hard-hitting rap that I thought I would share with you. Okay, so here goes. Chicken on a farm, looking so shifty. Why is it looking so shifty? It doesn't make sense. It's a chicken. All they normally do is and eat food. Sometimes they cluck too. I don't even give a flying. I rap about chickens all day long. Stop censoring me, you. I am going to write on your slippers and then Beatles. And I wish you'd stop censoring me because it's just doing it. It's making me feel on the sofa. So I hope you like the rap. And just think, one day, you may be able to rap almost as good as that. So, good luck to you. See you again. I'm rapping again. You cannot stop the flow. I do it perfect every time. I can add rhymes in there too, if I want, but I don't want to at the moment. Freestyling the words off the top of my head. Fine, cut the beat off. I go a cappella now. Don't even need it anyway. Oh. Oh no, I've lost my confidence now.